So Indian youth just got its most relatable political party. It's called the Cockroach Janata Party. But there is a catch. Now you need to understand that Chief Justice made certain observation during a court hearing about fake degree holders infiltrating the legal profession. Now media clipped it, the internet ran with it, and within 4 days, 55,000 people joined a movement they still haven't fully read about. Now we called it a rebellion. History may call it the fastest political onboarding without a background check. Not long ago, an articulated CA became the internet's favorite politician. He called BJP the party of illiterate goons. He talked about our most relatable concerns, and then he called himself the voice of Aam Aadmi. Gen Zs put him on their Instagram stories. They made him famous. Then what he did, he joined the BJP, the same party, the same goons, and just one press conference. Nobody was surprised except those who were absolutely certain that it would never happen. Now, the founder of the Cockroach Janata Party, this new symbol of youth anger, is appreciating Mahua Moitra. This is the same Mahua Moitra, when a trainee doctor was raped and murdered at Arjikar Medical College, went to national television to defend her party, calling all allegation of a systematic cover-up absolutely wrong and incorrect. This is the same Mahua Moitra who was expelled from parliament by the Lok Sabha Ethics Committee for sharing her parliamentary login credentials with a businessman for gifts and foreign trips. And now, the founder of CJP movement is celebrating her for approving the CJP. Now, the real lesson to learn is there is nothing wrong with questioning authority. The constitution demands it. But here is the distinction that costs a generation every time they miss it. Being against a person is democracy. Being against the system is anarchy. And those who want anarchy always hand you a person to admire first. Raghav Chadha was a person, Mahua Moitra is a person, the CJP founder is a person. Question their records, question their consistency, but do not mistake a system, courts, parliament, democracy itself for the failure of the individual sitting inside it. Now the warning is, it is extraordinarily easy to dismantle a functioning country. You don't need bombs or coup, you need a clipped video, a catchy name, and a generation that is angry, but hasn't yet decided what it's actually angry at. Because when you are angry at the government, you vote for the right person. But when you are angry at the system, you burn it. Radicalization doesn't look like extremism at the start. It looks exactly like this. A meme, a party name, an honest face you haven't researched yet. Before you join the next party, the next movement, the next icon, just Google their last 3 years. That's all. The cockroach, by the way, has survived every extinction on earth. Not by being loud, but by being smart about what it trusts.